Hello and welcome back to Boozy TV, the official channel of Boozy, world's first social drinking platform. My name is Susovan and I share all Boozy related topics like product features, partnership talks, inside stories here on Boozy TV. Today I will be sharing a very important vision of Boozy platform, that is to build the future of e-commerce. We call it e-commerce 2.0. Now, as you know, the concept of Boozy is to bridge social and e-commerce platform on a single focused platform for end-to-end drinking experience. And whenever we talk about e-commerce, one of the most crucial aspect is the sellers who power the system. Business owners who sell on the platform so that the customers get their desired products at the best price and experience. At Boozy, our vision is to build the future of e-commerce, that is e-commerce 2.0. We have framed this vision keeping in mind the long-term sustainability of e-commerce platform that is beneficial to all the people involved in this ecosystem. And we are taking multiple disruptive steps to achieve this goal of e-commerce 2.0. I will be sharing various features of Boozy platform which are under our e-commerce 2.0 vision on this channel from time to time. Today I will be talking about the first and one of the most important feature in this direction. And the feature that I will be talking about today is most important for liquor store owners who will be partnering with Boozy to jumpstart the online delivery system. I feel extremely happy to announce that Boozy is the first e-commerce platform where the seller will receive their order payment before the delivery guy picks up the order from their store. Before the delivery guy picks up the order from their store. Yes, you heard me right. All the wine shop owners take note that for the first time in the e-commerce industry, you will receive the payment before our delivery person comes to your store and picks up the order. And to power this instant payment system on Boozy Partner Program with our sellers, we have partnered with one of the biggest bank in India, ICICI Bank. Because to ensure instant and secure payments, we need the right infrastructure and systems in place. Hence, ICICI will be helping us to power this industry-first instant payment to seller mechanism on Boozy platform. You may ask, but why do we need this? Well, as business owners, one of the most important aspects of running a business is to balance the daily operating expense and the daily cash flow. Because most small businesses rely on daily payments to subcontractors for inventory, etc. And one of the biggest problems of selling on e-commerce platform is the delay in payment credit to seller's bank account. Most platforms hold the payments and pay off weekly or bi-weekly, and that sometimes tend to create cash crunch, especially for small and medium-sized sellers. Hence, we thought if we want to create a sustainable platform, we first need to identify and solve seller problems so that partnering and selling on Boozy is as convenient or beneficial as selling offline at the store. In fact, in the long run, we want to make selling on Boozy more profitable than selling in stores. To simply explain how our partner payment system that is powered by ICICI will work is once the user places an order and the order is allocated to the nearby liquor store based on availability, the store partner will be notified that he has received an order. Once he confirms, payment will be credited to the store partner account in few minutes, so that store owner does not have to keep selling for a week and then receive the payments after a week like other platforms. And once our delivery person reaches the store to pick up, the store owner hands over the ordered products. So, for the store owner account, it is same as selling to a customer at the shop. No difference. To partner with Boozy and start selling as a wine shop owner, all you need to do is to register on our platform and download the Boozy Partner app. Once you sign in, you need only the standard documentation for KYC and get started as a Boozy Partner store. We are also setting up a priority service for all our partners so that any queries can be handled in the shortest time possible. All these convenience along with the security and the instant payment powered by ICICI, we want to make Boozy platform the future of e-commerce which is self-sustainable and beneficial for all the people involved in the system. I hope you liked the video and found it interesting. Let us know if you have any question in mind or want to know something specific about Boozy by dropping a comment below so that we can get back to you and answer your queries. We will be bringing more such technology and product talks here on Boozy TV, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we drop our new videos on the channel. You can also follow us on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, where we keep you updated on what's going on in Boozy regularly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers from Boozy.